Hey y'all, Meryl Evan, Digital Marketing Pro, here to talk about the importance of sound and caption. The rest of this video will be in silent. Do not adjust your volume or your speaker. There's nothing wrong with them. Here we go. This was a simple video to show the importance of sound. Imagine how confusing it would be if there were multiple people on platforms. So caption those sounds. Thanks for captioning and using hashtag caption that when you post your video. For more tips, please join the mailing list at meryl.net. Thanks for watching.